I am going. I am going to here, here, because I am going to exercise. I am going to exercise. What kind of exercise? I don't know yet. But any kind of exercise. Feels sexy. Okay. Do it now. I like to do vest, bicycle. I like to do what I wear today. Why I don't have bra? Because I have already boobs. That's why I don't need a bra. Okay, I wear this short. I'm thinking I wanna tuck in this one, but it's okay, no need no. I'm still beautiful, but yes, I'm so beautiful. I'm so sexy. I'm still always. I'm still always on my. Okay, we will start for this. Okay. I like this one. Exercise talaga. Wait lang. Nagot din ang ano nito. This is my vlog. Wait lang. Parang masakit sa pato. Tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Parang hindi ko naman nagugustuhan. Kasi hindi siya pantay. Pwede yan po. Ano pala? Parang mainit. Dapat pala nagtali ako. Parang kung hindi ba ito? Ano mo ito lang yan? How much better ito? Mas gusto ko ito sa treadmill. Kasi ito talaga mag-exercise ka. Sexy na exercise. Parang napagod ako. Wait na. Napagod ako. Parang kasama ito ba? Taba ng taba ang matin. Parang something like that. Actually, this is part of sexy pa ba tayo? Hiningal ako. Okay. Do it again. Pagod ako. Tandaan mo pala dapat ito. Meron pa ba yung exercise mo? Pwede mo mag-exercise ako ganito. Parang hindi tayo pagod talaga mga. Hindi tayo pagod. Na. Tata lang. Parang pinagpawisan na ako. Pinagpawisan ako sa lagay na yun ha. Sa lagay. So, lagay na yun, pinagpawisan na ako. Ah, sexy ko rin naman pala ako. Sexy pa din tayo. Ganda pa rin naman ako. Basta. Okay. So, I want to try this one. If I can, a treadmill. Yeah. That's how it is. I feel like gain weight, everyone, because of my tummy. So, you know, I need to exercise more when I come back to the Philippines. Because I'm in, you know, I'm in China. No, Thailand. Yes. Got it.